Hey everybody, in this lesson we're going to solve three word problems involving decimals. Okay, so first of all, come over here and grab a pen and you can pick a color. All right, and just follow along with me. All right, so the first problem says the regular price of a grass trimmer is $79.99. A landscaper can buy a used one for $56.61. How much money will he save if he buys the used grass trimmer? Okay, so anytime you're dealing with a word problem, you want to know, first of all, is it an addition problem, subtraction problem, multiplication problem, or division? All right, and we want to know how much is he going to save, right, if he goes with a cheaper model, right? So this is going to be a subtraction problem, and we need to subtract $56.61 from $79.99. Okay, so let's do that over here. So we have $79.99, and we're going to subtract $56.61. All right, and now to do this, we're going to subtract 9 take away 1 is 8. 9 take away 6 is 3. You need to bring down the decimal point. And 9 take away 6 is another 3. And 7 take away 5 is 2. So our final answer is $23.38. All right, that's the first problem. Let's go on to problem number 2. All right, for this one, it says a bottle of sunscreen costs $3.39. Naomi bought 7 bottles of sunscreen. How much did Naomi spend in all? All right, so each bottle costs $3.39, and Naomi's going to buy 7 of them, right? So the fastest method here would be multiplication. So we need to multiply $3.39 by 7. All right. So 7 times 9 is 63. Carry the 6. And then 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 6 more is 27. Then carry the 2. And then 7 times 3 is 21. And then 21 plus 2 is 23. So Naomi spent $23.73 on the sunscreen. All right, one more problem. Here we go. Here it says Keith buys 6 packs of candy for $2.40. Okay, the candies all have the same price. Okay, what is the price of each candy? All right, so again, Keith goes in the store. Okay, he buys 6 packs of candy for $2.40. Right, he wants to know what the cost of each pack is. So this is actually going to be a division problem. And we're going to divide $2.40 by 6. All right, so let's set this up. So 6 is the divisor. And $2.40 is the dividend, right? All right, and here we go. So can 6 go into 2? The answer is no, right? I need to bring that decimal up like this. And now the question is, can 6 go into 24? And it does exactly 4 times, right? So 6 times 4 is 24. And there's 0 remainder. I'm going to bring down this 0. And 6 can't go into 0, so it's going to be 0 times up here. And that's it, right? So our answer is 40 cents per pack of candy. All right, there's a few more problems for you to try. Good luck and have a great day.